Picture this: a silent, sleek electric sedan and a roaring, fire-breathing V1 to hybrid super. On one side, we have the Tesla Model S Plaid, the king of instant acceleration. On the other, the Lamborghini Huracán, the latest masterpiece from Sant'Agata Bolognese. Today, we're settling the ultimate debate: which one is faster? We're pitting these two titans against each other in a series of head-to-head drag races to find out which reigns supreme. Is it the silent but deadly electric power, or the raw, thunderous force of a traditional combustion engine? Let's find out. Before we hit the tarmac, let's break down what makes these machines so incredible. First up, the Tesla Model S Plaid. This isn't just any electric car. It's a technological marvel. It packs 3 high-performance electric motors, 1 at the front and 2 at the rear, delivering a staggering 1,020 horsepower. But the real magic isn't just the horsepower, it's the torque. We're talking 1,050 pound-feet of instant torque. The moment you touch the accelerator, you get everything. There's no lag, no waiting for turbos to spool up or engines to hit their power band. It's pure, uninterrupted, neck-snapping acceleration. It's like being launched from an electromagnetic catapult. This all-wheel drive system is incredibly sophisticated, using torque vectoring to manage power to each wheel with pinpoint precision, ensuring maximum grip off the line. Tesla claims a 0 to 60 time of just under 2 seconds, which is a number that, until recently, was reserved for top fuel dragsters, not family sedans you can buy off a showroom floor. It's a sleeper in the truest sense of the word. It looks relatively unassuming, but underneath, it's a hypercar in disguise. Now, let's turn our attention to its opponent, the magnificent Lamborghini Huracán. This car is the successor to the legendary Aventador, and it's Lamborghini's first-ever plug-in hybrid supercar. It represents a new era for the brand, blending their iconic V12 heritage with cutting-edge electric technology. At its heart is a brand-new, naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine that screams all the way to 9,500 RPM on its own. This engine produces over 800 horsepower. But that's not all. The Huracán also has 3 electric motors, 2 for the front wheels and 1 integrated into the new 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. Together, the V12 and the electric motors combine to produce a colossal 1,001 horsepower. So, on paper, it's almost identical to the Plaid in terms of peak power. However, the way it delivers that power is completely different. The Huracán offers the best of both worlds. The instant torque from the electric motors fills in the low-end gaps, while the V12 engine provides an absolutely epic, soul-stirring crescendo of power as the revs climb. This is pure automotive theater, a symphony of mechanical and electrical engineering working in perfect harmony. It's a statement piece, a work of art that's designed to be as thrilling to hear and see as it is to drive. Alright, enough with the specs. It's time for the moment we've all been waiting for. The first race, a classic quarter-mile drag race from a dead stop. Both cars are lined up, launch control engaged. The air is thick with anticipation. You can feel the tension. On one side, the Plaid is completely silent, just a faint hum betraying the immense power coiled within. On the other, the Huracán's V12 is rumbling, a caged beast ready to be unleashed. The lights drop. 3, 2, 1, go. And the Tesla is gone. It's not just a lead, it's an instant teleportation. The Plaid's immediate torque delivery is simply overwhelming. Before the Lamborghini's V12 has even had a chance to clear its throat, the Tesla has already put several car lengths between them. It's a brutal, shocking display of electric power. The Huracán is fighting back, its all-wheel drive system clawing at the asphalt, the V12 wailing as it desperately tries to close the gap. But the initial deficit is just too much to overcome in such a short distance. The Tesla rockets across the quarter-mile line, securing a decisive victory. For pure straight-line acceleration from a standstill, the Tesla Model S Plaid is in a league of its own. It's an absolute monster off the line. But wait, the story isn't over yet. We know the Plaid is the king of the standing start, but what happens when both cars are already moving? It's time for round 2, a rolling race. We're going to start from 50 miles per hour, side by side. This scenario changes everything. It takes the Tesla's biggest advantage, its launch, out of the equation and puts the focus squarely on high-speed power delivery and aerodynamics. Both cars are cruising, engines and motors primed. The signal is given. Go. Both drivers floor it. Initially, they are neck and neck. The Tesla's instant response still gives it a slight initial jump, but this time, it's different. The Lamborghini is right there. The Ravvuelto's V12 is now in its sweet spot, singing its glorious song as it climbs through the rev range. As the speeds increase past 100, 120, 130 miles per hour, you can see the dynamic shift. The raw, top-end power of that magnificent V12 engine begins to overpower the Tesla's electric motors. Slowly but surely, the Lamborghini starts to pull ahead. Its aerodynamic design, crafted for high-speed stability, slices through the air with greater efficiency. The Ravvuelto's nose inches forward, then it's a fender, then a full car length. The roar of the V12 gets louder as it leaves the silent Tesla behind. By the time they hit the end of the runway, the Lamborghini has pulled away, claiming a clear victory in the rolling race. It's a testament to the enduring power of a high-revving combustion engine at extreme speeds. So, who is the winner? Well, as you've just seen, it's not that simple. It completely depends on the context of the race. If you're talking about a stoplight to stoplight sprint or a quarter-mile drag race from a standstill, the Tesla Model S Plaid is the undisputed champion. Its instantaneous and relentless acceleration is something that even a million-dollar hybrid supercar struggles to compete with off the line. It redefines what we thought was possible for a production sedan. However, if the race starts from a roll, or continues to much higher speeds, the Lamborghini Ravvuelto shows its true colors. Its incredible V12 engine and sophisticated hybrid system give it the edge in the top end, where aerodynamics and raw horsepower become the deciding factors. It proves that there's still a place for the drama, emotion, and sheer top-end performance of a traditional supercar. In the end, these are two different philosophies of speed, two different masterpieces of engineering. One represents the brutal efficiency of the electric future, and the other represents the spectacular evolution of a gasoline-powered legend. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this epic showdown. It was an absolute thrill to bring these two incredible machines together and push them to their limits. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more high-stakes drag races and in-depth car comparisons, make sure to hit that like button, and more importantly, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next video. We have a lot more exciting content coming your way. Thanks again for your support, and we'll see you in the next one. Drive safe.